Now we move to the final topic of the part 3 and of the end of term 3 exam. That is the binomial theorem. And we have already done this before. So I will put that link in the description. Please go through that and then be thorough with it, because that's the same thing what we are going to do now. Now we have seen this formula already. It's a binomial theorem. You can find the power of any two, sum of any two terms, any binomial of any degree using this formula. Because it's okay to remember the formula of a plus b the whole square, even for a plus b the whole cube. But what if the number is 7 over here? N is 7. It's insane. I mean, it's not impossible, but it's very, very long. But this formula easily gives you the answer. So all you need to do is substitute the n value over here, and then the formula is very simple. It starts with always n, the degree, okay? C0 is constant. It'll keep on changing 0 to 1, 2, 3. Whereas whatever you start with, the degree will be the first term. And the second term is 1 because it's b to the power 0, so it's not there. Then all you need to do is keep on increasing. See, this nc does not change. Look carefully over here. See, nc does not change. Only this changes. An degree reduces by 1, b increases by 1. And that's how it goes on. And whenever, imagine you're phi over here as n, when you reach phi, c phi, you stop. Because a will become phi minus phi, that is 0, and b will become the maximum power phi. That's the degree. So there you stop. Now we will see a problem. So let's use this one. It's very simple. This is the given question. Power 7. Now, which is the first term? This is your first term x. 2z is your second term. Remember the formula, substitute it. All you need to do is substitute. 7, c0. A is x to the power 7. B is 0, that is 1. What about the next term? Instead of n, put 7. 7c1. A is x. 7 minus 1 is 6. So you directly write 6. No need of... see, it's up to you. You can do the substitution. It's just extra step. And provided it's writing. So it's better you write the step. I mean, exact substitution, or you can do it in your mind. It's fine. And then what you do is 7c2 over here. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2z whole power 2. Same thing, it continues until where? Until the 7 and 7, n and n reaches. That is 7c7, b to the power 7 minus 7 is 0. See, this x, sorry, a to the power. That x will be 1. And then you're remaining with 2z. Now, you can solve this. See, 7c0 is 1. 7c7 is 7. Over here, it'll be 7 into 6. The formula is very simple. It is basically okay, it's over here, 7c. This is the expansion of the formula. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. What does that mean is, sorry, now let me take this one for example. N is always the term which is behind c and r is in front of c. So n factorial divided by n minus r multiplied by r factorials. Okay. Now n factorial is 7. 7 factorial means you have to multiply 7 into 6 into 5 into it keeps on going. I'll write dot 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 till 1. What is n minus r? 7 minus 3. What is the answer? 7 minus 3 is 4 factorial. So it'll be basically over here 5 into 4 factorial. So this is 7 minus 3 is again 4 factorial multiplied by r factorial, that is 3. 3 factorial will be 3 into 2 into 1. So now this 4 and this cancels off, right? Now what else is remaining? This is remaining 1 time. 3 times 2 is 6 basically. You cancel both this and this is gone. You're remaining with 7 and 5. The answer will be 35 over here. So you can see this term x to the power 4 will have 35. This is the substitution of the formula n factorial by n minus r factorial. But you can directly get it in the calculator as well as shown before. So that's the thing. And then what do? Directly simplify, like multiply all these numbers That's it. That's the answer. It is a very simple problem, provided you remember the formula. If you remember this, that's it. Very, very simple. Now, here they have asked you a specific term. That's the third term. Count the third term. One, two, three. This, okay. Sorry, I have not mentioned that. This is your answer. That is the third term. This is the complete expansion, and this is your third term. Now, if they completely ask you only to expand, it's the same thing. Write the formula. The first term, use brackets, don't forget it, because there are two and c. Constant is also there along with the variable. And it's only to the power 4, so it'll end at 4c4. And remember, the negative sign is there. Make sure the second term, the b term, over here b term, will have the negative sign as well. Use the brackets because when you square negative, it becomes positive, whereas if you cube it, the negative sign remains. So make sure you write it properly and then simplify it, and you will get the answer. It is very, very straightforward, not at all difficult. Just please remember that. Now this is for you. Please do try them by yourselves and then check with the answers. So all the answers are mentioned over here. Please do them by yourself. They're pretty simple. Only when minus is there, remember, it'll be minus. And it'll be alternating, see? Plus, minus, because the odd powers only will have the negative sign, whereas even powers will dissolve the negative sign. Same way, please do try these by yourselves and then check for the answers. So that's basically it. That's it. So that is the end of the explanations of all the topics. I hope this is beneficial for you. All the best, dear students. Please do well. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it, because it's free to subscribe, but it would mean a lot to me and it gives me motivation to do more and more. So I kindly ask you to do that, and also do share it among your friends who will find it helpful. I just want to wish you all the best, and I hope everyone does great in the exams and get very nice marks. Take care, and until the next video, bye bye for now.